Good morning, parents and students. I hope you're all safe at home. Welcome to this session, Class 10 Math Triangles. Already I told you how to send your photos in the given mail ID, but still few children are doing mistakes. It's better to listen carefully and follow the instructions which I'm going to give now. So there are three different columns, right? From, to, subject. From your ID. To editor.10@gmail.com. What about a subject column? Can you see the arrow mark which is given here? Yeah, it should be filled with your roll number, name, followed by your subject. I hope you will send the mails properly hereafter. In this video session, we are going to discuss about what to write in your classwork and your homework notebook from page number 145 to 153. From chapter Triangles. Pythagoras theorem statement with a proof. Question and answers from exercise 6.5 and 6.6. The reference videos are Triangles part 6 and 7. Page number 145. Theorem number 6.7. Only statement you are going to copy down in your classwork with a diagram and two-line statement. Page number 145. Pythagoras theorem. It is one of the important board examination question. So, better to learn and write in your classwork notebook with a proof properly. Exercise 6.5, question 1, subdivision 1 and 2, we have discussed in the video. Do you remember that? So, go through the question and copy down in your classwork. And based on the same logic, you are going to solve subdivision 3 and 4 from question number 1 in your homework notebook. Question number 2, complete it in your classwork notebook. Based on the logic, you are going to solve question number 3 and 4 in your homework notebook. Theorem 6.9, statement alone you are going to copy down in your classwork notebook as we don't have a proof as per the latest syllabus. So only statement alone you are going to learn and write in your classwork notebook without any mistakes. And question number 5 and 17 can be done using the same logic, converse of a Pythagoras theorem. Will you do it? Question number 6. I have done for you. Copy down in your classwork notebook. Question number 16. Based on the same logic, equilateral triangle. You can try in your homework notebook. Question number 7. Write down in your classwork notebook. It is given here. Question number 8. Complete it in your classwork notebook. So look at the arrow marks and so and so. With a diagram, proper representation should be done in your classwork notebook. Question number 9 and 10 can be done in your homework notebook. Question number 11. Copy down in your classwork notebook with a proper diagram. Based on the same logic, you can solve question number 12 in your homework notebook. Question number 15 in your classwork notebook you are going to do. It is also one of the important board examination question. So, understand it and better to solve in your notebook without looking this slide. Am I clear? Question number 13 and 14 can be done in your homework notebook. Exercise 6.6. Many of you thinking that it is optional exercise. Why we need to copy? Don't think that. Sometime they may ask the questions from this exercise also. So, very few questions I have selected and I have done for you. That alone can be done in your classwork notebook. And question number 1, angle bisector theorem. So, learn and write this theorem once with a statement. Am I clear? So, copy down this question in your classwork notebook. Followed by question number 7, first subdivision. Such a easy question. So, copy down in your classwork notebook. Second subdivision from question number 7. Copy down with a diagram. Question number 10. Copy down the answer part with a diagram neatly in your classwork notebook. Go through the question once and copy down. Remaining questions from exercise 6.6, exactly 7 questions that can be done as an assignment in a separate A4 sheet. This work can be completed on or before 23 July. See you in the next video. Till that, take care. Bye.